Hey guys, welcome back to Pinch of Pink Salt. So today we're going to be taking that almond pulp that we had left over from the almond milk recipe that we did, and we're going to make these amazing almond pulp cookies. Guys, these cookies are so delicious, and it's a great way to use that almond pulp that we have left over. So with our almond pulp, as you can see here, it's still a little wet. We're going to go ahead and pour that into a large bowl. We're then going to add in some vegan butter and some sugar, and we're going to cream this together until it is a really nice consistency, just like this. And then we're going to start adding in our other ingredients. We have our vanilla. We're going to mix that together again. And then we're going to add in our spices. So I have a lot of cinnamon and I have some cardamom. Now, the cardamom is optional, but I do love that interesting flavor that it adds to these cookies. So I definitely recommend it. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So I'm sifting in some flour and some baking powder. Now, for those of you who cannot have gluten, you can definitely omit the all-purpose flour altogether and substitute it with almond flour, coconut flour, even oat flour. Any other type of gluten-free flour that you have should work perfectly in this recipe. Once we've mixed it all together, we get this really nice dough. We're going to scoop it out and form them into discs. So as you can see, I rolled it into a ball and then flattened it with my fingers, and we're gonna put it in our oven, in the center of our oven, until they are nicely puffed up and golden. And as you can see, they do have an icing on it. It's literally powdered sugar and milk. I am gonna put the details below. And that's it, guys. These are my almond pulp cookies, and it's such a great way to use that leftover almond pulp that we have after we make our almond milk. And they taste so delicious. Like I'm actually gonna go out into the kitchen and have one right now because they're so good. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, let me know in the comments below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I put out new videos just like this one every single week, and hit that notification bell so you know every time I put out a new video. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.